fuck is this? It's meant to be no more hills. It's stitched up. What is happening, everyone? Welcome back to Tenerife training camp day 4. So the others are having a rest day today, quite sensibly. I haven't worked out if me and Ryan are crazy or idiots yet, but we've decided to get the ferry over to La Gomera and ride over La Gomera today. So we're starting in Los Cristianos, so we're just rolling down to Los Cris now, and then the ferry goes from Los Cris to San Sebastian, which is in La Gomera. 50-mile route over there, 50-mile loop, about 8,000 feet of elevation. Yeah, and the legs are a little bit tender today, so we're just having a nice little warm up and heading down to Los Cris. Oh, I think we might pay to regret this, I'm not sure yet. So we just got our tickets, ready to go now. The girls are ready. All the bikers in the queue. Big dog, loving it.
Morning.
Off to La Gomera, yeah?
Yeah. Nice.
How are the old pins feeling?
Yeah, not too bad.
They're
Now
not
we're moving again.
Yeah.
Nice and fresh.
Good man, good man. Come on.
So, yeah.
So we're just about docking in La Gomera now. We've got Ian with us. He's going to be doing a bit of filming with the drone. Right?
Yeah.
We're going for it, aren't we?
Going for it, mate. Yeah.
No rest day today.
No. Yeah.
We're going to pay for this. What's the elevation over the... I think half the elevation, the first 15 miles, isn't it?
Yeah, about 8,000 feet.
Yeah. Flat day, innit?
Easy. I won't have a problem. I'm sure I can.
Straight off the ferry. This is the first climb of the day. It's about a 6 miler at 5%. Not too bad, not too bad. The weather is absolutely stunning. I feel it burning through my back. Ryan is like a drumstick. His arms look so painful. But yeah. He's having a bit of an issue with his seat post. We don't know how to... He's knocked it up. We don't know how to lower it. Oh no, the opposite way around. Don't get any reception in this valley, so we can't go on YouTube. And it's a long way home.
I wonder if we can do it by tilting it. I shouldn't have had that cake at the coffee shop.
By the time this goes out, no one will be able to help us anyway, so shit or broke, innit, really? We've had the worst luck out here. It's not been great. So your saddle's just angled completely down, isn't it? And we don't know how to get it back up. We've been on YouTube, the classic. What's it like? Canyon bikes, man. Love them. That's Tenerife. You can just about make out TD. There. Look at this. This is really a hidden gem over here, I believe. You know, the roads are really quiet. It's beautiful. It's the first car I've seen in ages. Big tasty. Ah, get up there, boy. It's like a long musker. 12%. So we just did 6 mile climb, and it was pretty consistent, about 10, 11, 12% all the way up.
Yep.
We sort of stayed at about between 300 and 350 watts all the way up.
Tough work.
It's tough work. That was really tough. That was like musker-esque, as in looks like musker and kind of a little bit hard like musker, but not musker. Do you reckon TD's harder than that?
Nah, I wouldn't say so, mate.
I don't think so either. So on we go. Another K or so to the top, yeah?
Yeah, just under.
Look forward now.
Stopped in Gomera, and we're gonna have a bit of bike to eat now. That was we did a big climb, then a descent, then we've got a 12-mile climb left, and it's the last climb of the day, which is about 1,300 meters. It's 18 minutes past 2 now, and we've got to get the 5:30 ferry. If we missed the ferry, we're not back to Tenerife tonight. And we'll have to start a board bound and start busking. So, Ian's a good singer though.
No problem.
It's just relentless at 10%. And I don't think that cafe stop has done me any favours. The old legs have just gone to sleep. Big dog, threshold, loves it. I've got to have a word with myself in there. This climb's for the naughty boys.
At the top now. That's a brutal climbing it, right?
Yeah, that's definitely a tough one. Hardest one yet out here.
What's that? About 30, so all but 13 miles.
13 miles, average 10-11% all the way up. No
Brutal,
fuss.
brutal. Got our man feeding our waters and gels.
Support bike.
Yeah. What a way. Right, let's get this done and get back to the ferry. Glad. That's where it all come from. Right down in the valley.
I think that's La Palma, that one, that island there. Yeah.
Not far now.
Last climb.
Fuck is this? It's meant to be no more hills. It's stitched up.
Climbing done for the day. We've got to get our skates on. We've got less than an hour to get the ferry. We've got about 40 minutes. Let's go. I don't want to be stuck on Gomera. No offence. We've just made it within the nick of time. The boat's there. We've got about 30 minutes, 25 minutes, but we got to be there early because we've got to check the bikes. What a day. What a gem. Gomera is a gem, a hidden gem. And if you are in the Canaries, this is the place to come. You know, it's hilly anyway, so that is a given out here. But yeah, what a day, eh, Rye?
Yeah, cracking day out.
Cracking day out. Ian behind. Chapeau to him. Got some footage for us, didn't he? So 70 miles all day in Gomera. Like that. Should have listened to Daddy, shouldn't you?
Yeah, should have done.
Oh well. No children for you. So we
we're just back into Los Cristianos now, just got off the ferry. What a day, what an amazing place La Gomera is. I think that is a hidden gem over there, isn't it, Rye?
Yeah, definitely.
Some nasty little climbs though, innit? If you don't like climbing, don't go over there.
No.
But yeah, I'll put a screenshot of the Strava upload in. Me and Ryan have decided that we're gonna have some chips and then we're gonna get picked up. 63 miles and 9,000 something. 9,500 elevation, so that's enough for one day. That gives us both about 300 miles in 4 days, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
So good going on, camp. So yeah, we'll catch you tomorrow. Lee Bosch.
Bosh.
Bash.